Let's go, everyone. Today I'm unboxing a pair of new AirPod Pro 2nd generation. So let me show you the bag real quick. So this is Apple's holiday bag. Very festive, nice. Boom. This is what the packaging looks like. AirPod Pros. 2nd generation with MagSafe Charging Case with USB-C. All right, glad they're going to USB-C everywhere now, so this is great. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all having a great holiday season. These green pull tabs are more sticky now, so a little more secure. That's great. Designed by Apple in California. Any stickers in here? Always love it when they put in stickers. Doesn't look like there's any stickers. Nope. No stickers with the AirPods Pro. Oh, before we get to this, let's see what's underneath. Ooh. Oh, nice. They include a nice, this is braided USB-C to USB-C. Looks like 1 meter, so this is nice that they include this to charge your new USB-C AirPods Pro. The moment you all been waiting for. So it's still in this plastic wrap for freshness, ultimate freshness. Wow. Look at that. USB-C on AirPods Pro. Amazing. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. It's really nice that there's finally USB-C on the iPhone 15 Pros and AirPod Pros. Wow, amazing. So fresh. What about tips? Oh, there's additional tips in here too. Wow. So there's XS, S, small and large. So I'm assuming they come with medium already here. All right, everyone, let me know what you, ooh, nice orange LED. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I ordered these from. Let me know what you think of these AirPods Pro with the USB-C in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Happy holidays, and see you for the next random unboxing video. Later.